Sammy.
Hi guys! You might heard about the song Chicken Noodle Soup by J-Hope from BTS, which is my favorite awesome boy group. You know, everybody loves them. This is it, Korean style chicken noodle soup. It's called 닭칼국수. And this is perfect for the chilly weather like today. And so yum. Let me get started. Let's make noodles first. Prepare all-purpose flour and 1/3 salt and baking soda. Sift the flour. Add water. If you don't have a baking soda, then you can also use starch instead of it. And we're gonna make it one big lump. Let's put it in the plastic bag. Place the dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Slice carrot, green onion for the delicious chicken stock, slice onion, minced garlic. This one is for 양념장, which is, I don't know how to translate exactly, and 2 of these are for the soup. Zucchini, cut it into matchsticks. Another green onions. This one is small one. It's for the garnish. Potato. The soup is gonna be savory because of this. Chicken. We're using chicken with bones, so you don't have to shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Besides, the soup is gonna be nutty because of its skin. Just cut if it's too big. Alright, now we're gonna cook chicken with some oil over medium heat. We need to let them cook and cook the other side. If they're cooked back and forth well, wipe out the oil just a little. You know, we're not making fried chicken. Just make sure that you don't wipe out all of the oil because you don't want to miss the flavor that it adds to the soup. And water, and garlic, green onion, partially cover and keep it for 15 minutes. Now noodle time. Very simple. You just roll it out into a thin circle. Oh, it's over my cutting board side. Good. Before we cut, dusting flour, and forward, flour, and forward. Let's cut. I love thick noodles. I'm gonna make them thick. So let me see. Oh, do I have to say udon noodles? More flour, and I'm gonna put them in the plastic bag for a while. We're gonna go ahead and make 양념장, some sliced 청양 pepper, minced garlic, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, hot pepper flakes, and sesame oil. Oh, smell is great. Skim off the fat if it's too much. Now, let's take a green onion and garlic. Garlic, where are you? There you are. Put all vegetables and minced garlic. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. That's it. No more seasoning is needed because we already have 양념장 too. 5 to 7 minutes later, you will see noodles are flowing. That means we are done. 오, 맛있겠네요. Lastly, chopped green onions on the top. Done! Let me add some 양념장 and taste it. Yeah, not easy for me to have chickens and noodles together, so I'm just having one by one. I really want to share this taste. Great texture, and the chicken broth is awesome too. These noodles are true comfort food. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.